Jet.
Jet 2.
Jet.
Jet. Okay. You can call me Megila-san. Megila-san.
Megila?
Oh, Megila. Yeah.
Miguel.
That's my feminine name. What's your name again?
Jet.
Jetto.
Jet.
Jetto. How long you been here in Cebu?
2 months?
2 months. Oh, very long. You know, you want to know how to speak Bisaya?
ちょっと。
Chokto ko no. Ako kasi po chokto.
Gamay?
Gamay! Okay, now I learn Japanese language, ha? Ang gamay di ay ko no chokto. Karon, kung makakita ko lati, may ngon ko hala, chokto. What is the word big? What is the word big in Japanese
big.
language? Big.
大きい。
Okay!
大きい。
Okay! Ang mubo ko no, ang gamay, chokto.
You are small?
Small chokto.
Small は小さい。
Chisay.
Ay,
A small chisay. Ang big.
大きい。
Okay, hala no? Hala, matulog Japan, hindi mo ba yung uki-uki? Dako, dahil kayo mo ana uki-uki. Oy! Nahala, thank you so much. Thank you so much for driving by. You will go home when? You will stay here for how many months?
I think I have only a week left.
Oh,
Not
okay.
so sure.
Okay. You're here with your mom? With your...
一人、alone.
Wait, kalagan pili ni mga puna. Mura malagila sa dulo ko. You came here alone in the Philippines?
Hi.
Your parents don't bother to look you? To look you ba? You know, they don't afraid you walk alone, you go alone. You go abroad alone?
It's okay.
Oh, it's okay. Yeah, dako na iko na dako. Yeah, in Japanese, diba dako? Ay, thank you so much,
Jet.
Jet 2. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so
Bye.
much. Tanda ko. Ay, nandiyo ko yung polisa din yung bisita. Actually, uncle niya Ferdinand, no? Uncle na si Ferdinand. Alam ko, Mr. Ferdinand.
Maguwang sa kumisis.
Maguwang din ni Missy. Thank you so much.
So okay na din?